Namaste everyone. Mahati Wellness welcomes you to the series on Maharshi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. Today we will be exploring Sutra 1.8 from Chapter 1 Samadhi Path. Sutra is Viparyayo Mithya Jnanam Attadrupa Pratishtham. Meaning is Viparyayo, that is wrong knowledge, is false understanding that is not based on the true nature of the object. Viparyaya means wrong knowledge or misperception, error. Mithya Jnanam is false or distorted knowledge. Atadrupa Pratishtham means knowledge that is not founded on the real nature of the object. So, in contrast to Praman Vritti, Viparyaya is wrong knowledge when we mistake one thing for another. Maharshi Patanjali tells us that Viparyaya is also a vritti, but the one that moves us away from the truth. Commentary by Vyas explains that Viparyaya vritti arises when our mind superimposes something false on the reality. For example, if we see a rope and mistake it for a snake, so object or the rope is real, but our understanding is false. In our everyday life, we often experience Viparyaya vritti when our inner filters like attachment, doubt, fear, anger, bias, they color our perception, and then we don't see the things as they are, but as we are. Imagine looking at yourself in a distorted mirror. What you see, reflection is inaccurate. The mirror is existing, the person is existing, but the image is false because the surface of the mirror is uneven. The same thing happens when our mind is clouded by conditioning, past experiences, or emotions. The reality becomes distorted, and this is Viparya. In the previous Sutra 1.7, Maharishi Patanjali talked about Praman Vritti, the correct knowledge, which is aligned with the truth. In this Sutra 1.8, he talks about Viparyaya, false perception. Both are movements of the mind, but one takes us towards the truth and the other towards delusion. For a yoga practitioner, Viparyaya Vritti understanding is extremely crucial because our entire journey depends upon refining our perception, seeing reality without distortion. In our daily life, many emotional disturbances arise due to Viparyaya. We misunderstand others, misjudge situations, project our fears, insecurities outward. However, the practice of awareness, inquiry, meditation that helps us gradually purify these errors. Ask yourself, can I notice moments when my mind interprets, judges, or assumes rather than simply observing? Can I take a pause and ask, is this for real or I am seeing through the lens of Viparyaya? So, the essence of Sutra 1.8 is Viparyaya is false knowledge. When the mind projects its own ideas rather than seeing the things as they truly are. Yoga begins when we start seeing the reality clearly without distortion of our own mind. So, this was about Sutra 1.8. We will meet in our next episode with next Sutra. Till that time, Namaste.